Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division using a number line. Division is essentially a process of repeated subtraction, and a number line provides a fantastic visual tool to understand this concept. We'll learn how to represent numbers and perform operations by making clear, consistent jumps. This method helps visualize how many times one number fits into another, making complex problems much simpler to grasp. Let's walk through the steps. First, draw a number line marking 0 and extending it to your dividend, for instance, 12. Next, starting from 12, you'll make backward jumps. The size of each jump is determined by your divisor, say 3. So each jump will cover 3 units. Finally, count how many full jumps you made to reach 0 or as close as possible. This count gives you the answer. Consider 12 divided by 3. You start at 12 on your number line. From 12, make your first jump back 3 units, landing on 9. Then jump another 3 units to 6. A third jump takes you to 3, and your fourth jump lands precisely on 0. Since you made exactly 4 jumps of 3 units each, the answer to 12 divided by 3 is 4. It's a clear visual representation. What happens when the jumps don't land perfectly on 0? That's where remainders come in. For example, with 13 divided by 3, you'd make 4 jumps of 3, landing on 1. You can't make another full jump of 3. The number of full jumps, 4, is your quotient, and the 1 unit left over is your remainder. This shows that 13 equals 4 groups of 3 plus 1 extra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.